Hello everyone, today's topic is Core Java Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about Core Java Training Roadmap, about course, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program. Now we are discussing about course. Core Java course is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of Java programming, covering fundamental concepts and essential features of the language. Java is a widely used, object-oriented programming language known for its platform independence, security, and versatility. This course is ideal for beginners, software developers, and IT professionals who want to build applications using Java. This course begins with an introduction to Java, including its history, features, and significance in modern software development. Participants will learn about Java syntax, data types, operators, and control structures, ensuring a strong foundation in the language. As the course progresses, learners will explore object-oriented programming concepts such as classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction, which are essential for developing scalable and maintainable applications. The course also covers advanced topics like exception handling, file handling, multi-threading, the collections framework, JDBC, Java database connectivity, and memory management. Hands-on experience with Java APIs, string manipulation, and input-output operations is provided through coding exercises and real-world projects. This course is beneficial for beginners, software developers, and IT professionals who want to enhance their Java skills. It is also suitable for automation testers and anyone interested in learning Java for personal or professional growth. While no prior programming experience is required, having basic knowledge of programming concepts can be helpful. Now we will learn about the eligibility criteria for Core Java training. No specific degree is required, but a background in IT or computer science is helpful. Suitable for beginners, students, and professionals who want to learn Java. Software developers, IT professionals, and automation testers can also join. No prior programming experience is needed, but knowing basic coding, C, C++, and Python is an advantage. Requires logical thinking, problem-solving skills, and an interest in programming. Open to freshers and experienced professionals looking to upskill. Next, we learn about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of Core Java Training Java Developer. Develops and maintains Java applications, writes clean code, and debugs issues. They earn $70,000 to $120,000 per year. Software engineer works on Java-based software, optimizing performance and integrating databases. Salary ranges from $80,000 to $130,000 per year. Application developer creates mobile and web applications using Java, ensuring smooth performance. They typically earn $75,000 to $115,000 per year. Automation test engineer writes Java-based test scripts for automated testing, identifying bugs, and ensuring software quality. Salary is $70,000 to $110,000 per year. Backend developer manages server-side logic, APIs, and databases, earning $85,000 to $140,000 per year. Full-stack developer works on both front-end and back-end using Java and web technologies with salaries between $90,000 to $150,000 per year. The last topic is the training program. The GoLogica Core Java training offers in-depth instruction to help you master Java programming fundamentals. This course is designed to equip learners with essential Java skills, enabling them to build robust applications and develop a strong foundation in object-oriented programming. With a hands-on approach, you will gain expertise in writing Java programs, handling exceptions, managing data structures, and working with industry-standard tools and frameworks. Throughout the course, you will cover fundamental concepts such as Java syntax, data types, operators, and control statements. You will also learn about object-oriented programming, OOP principles, including classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. The training includes in-depth knowledge of exception handling, multi-threading, file handling, collections framework, and memory management. Additionally, you will explore database connectivity using JDBC, Java APIs, and debugging techniques to enhance development efficiency. This training is ideal for both beginners and experienced professionals looking to start or advance their careers in Java development. GoLogica provides flexible learning options, allowing you to complete the course at your own pace while receiving expert guidance from industry professionals. Whether you're starting from scratch or upgrading your skills, this training prepares you for the high-demand field of Java programming. After successful completion, you will receive a certification validating your Java expertise, helping you boost your career prospects. GoLogica also provides resume building assistance and interview preparation sessions to help you secure job opportunities in Java development. With this training, you will be well prepared to excel in Java programming and contribute to building high-performance software applications.